Hello, I'm Karen. Welcome to Karen Massey Therapies and this video, which is all about using play to develop CVCV words. So CVCV words are words that are made up of consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. So some of your CVCV words include mummy, daddy and baby. So you might want to get your dolls out, your teddies out, or even some animals or any characters where you can have a mummy, a daddy and a baby, and that will give you lots of opportunities to practice CVCV words over and over and over again as you name the family members and as you get the family members to do different things. That's just one example. There are many other words with the same structure, and all you have to do is say them out loud and work out, is it CVCV? And if it is, then you can use that activity or that toy as an opportunity to rehearse that structure over and over during play. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to find out more about supporting children with autism and childhood apraxia of speech, you can find our book available for purchase on Amazon. And we are also inviting you to our live events. They're currently free, so look out for an event near you in January 2020. Thank you for watching.